day 108, and we're still waiting for what this classified is. I'm playing it right now. It's just one button, guys. So all you have to do. You have to just press X, and you're good. You just have to click it, and you're fine. That's all you gotta do. And we just won. Yeah, you don't see it on the screen, but we won a game, clearly. Right. All fun aside, fucking classified obviously it's gonna be a battle royale. It's been fucking leaked. It was in the goddamn trailer and shit. It's gonna be called Warzone or something. And I'm gonna try it out. I've tried out other battle royales. I've gone off them eventually. Like I played Fortnite at the start, and then tried it out back when the new fucking Chapter 2 thing came out. I was playing Apex from the start up to like recently, and then I just stopped playing it because I got really annoyed with the loot drops because they're so broken for armor. It's the only thing that I just like care about mainly. Weapons, fine, even though it's like Mozambique P2020. But when you get white armor and the enemy gets purple armor fucking 10 times in a row in your first engagement, you just wanna fucking die. You don't wanna play the game. It's just so fucking bad. So yeah, this video we're just gonna be playing. I don't know. What should we play? Let's just fucking. Oh, I'm feeling a little bit of gunfight. Let's have a go with gunfight. Let's set up a party up so people in the lobby can't hear me and think I'm crazy. Alright. And also, last time I've said I've been working on the ARs, making them all max level. I have done that now. That's all good. The last one was, it was alright. I was using the Growl. No, it wasn't the Growl. The last one I tried to do was, I think it was the Scar or something. It was either that or the Ram. I didn't like the Ram that much. The Ram was alright. And I did hit some good feeds with it on shipment and stuff, but it wasn't that amazing. Now I'm working on the SMGs, and I've picked up the Striker, and I fucking love this thing. It is so damn good. Like, the hit fire on the thing is just absolutely, just crazy powerful. And then I've also been trying out the 725. It was like level 11 when I first tried it, and then I blasted it out for like one day using the thing, and now it's like level 44. And it's not that bad. This thing can hit from fucking range. It's crazy how powerful that thing can hit. I never thought a shotgun could hit from so much range with fucking... I mean, like, I don't know if you've played like Destiny and stuff like that. You know, there used to be shotguns that used to snipe you and shit like that. But, oh, right, here we go. PP Bison. A lot of people are going to use that. I want to get a snipe off the start.
Show them what we do.
Oh, he's literally AFK. We're good. Oh, he's not AFK. Oh, my teammate got him. Nice. He just popped him in the head. Oh, it wasn't the head at all. He's only level 19. I didn't expect that of him. Shit, alright. Oh my god, this guy's a god! He's hitting heads! Come on, do it to me.
10 seconds. Go.
Where's he
Secure
going?
that objective. We're taking this.
Ah, the
Your
grenade.
confidence grows.
I thought I could
Use
capture it.
against
Damn it.
Show them what we do.
Oh, striker. And a shotty.
That is the way.
I just love
On to
this
the
thing.
next round.
It's a bit weird with the iron sights, but it's fine. You don't have that full circle on the target, then you're fine. You're always going to get a guaranteed kill. It's really fun. Is he going to do the same? Oh god. I'm super low. Where is he? He's at the back. Ah, he had so much health, I couldn't take that out. I thought I would have him with that. He looked low.
Sweep and clear. Move.
Oh, FAL. Okay, I'm alright with this. Just need to get here. Then just go bop bop bop.
You're the last. Fight or die.
No, God.
They're making us fight for
They've
it. Give it
made
to
me
them.
panic real bad then. He just fucking destroyed me with a pistol. I tried to get him with fucking FAL. I'm gonna go a different place now. I'll go around this way. Got him. Ah, he's fucking right at the back. Doesn't he see him? Oh. Ah, fuck.
They're making us fight
It's
for it.
hard,
Give it to them.
man. Come on, we can pull it back. What we
Move to
got this time?
engage.
Is it literally just pistol? Pistol and nade and flash. Okay. Oh, he fucking
not
got
done yet.
behind
Make
me.
it
I
happen.
did not hear them footsteps. What the fuck? Wow. Okay. Oh, my teammate left. He got angry and just left the game.
They're on
God
match
damn
point.
it.
We
Nah,
can't
I've
take
not
another
got a
loss.
chance. No, this is just really bad luck. Oh my god, I just
Enough of this.
fucking
Fall back.
slid
We'll
in.
return.
Just didn't know where I was. He tried to punch me. Oh god, that was really bad. That was really bad. Oh, that was super bad. Alright, that was too bad. Let's play like one more and we'll try out a different mode. We'll probably do like ground war or something like that. Some fun mode. Ooh, King. King's a good map. I'm a big fan of this. And the rounds are over in like seconds. I've also been working on my challenges. I'm super close on that. I've done like my 10 kill streaks, that's pretty simple. Easy to do. Gotta do like attachments on weapons, wins in certain game modes. sniper kills. I've been doing that in ground war. That's pretty simple and easy to do. It's just going to be fun when I have to do this one. Run over 50 enemies with vehicles. I'll probably dedicate an entire video to that, because that sounds so fucking fun. Just going in ground war with fucking, like, a quad bike or... Oh, that reminds me, I could do it in Infected, can't I? I could do it in Infected, get in a quad and just absolutely mow people down. I've seen people get nukes with a quad bike in that Infected. Unbelievable. Absolutely insanity.
Gunfight.
You wouldn't think it.
Eliminate
Oh,
all
okay.
enemies or capture the overtime
Shotgun.
flag to win.
What's the other weapon? Revolver. Can I get the fucking cheeky head shot? I think if I go up here, I should be able
Give
to
them a
get
proper English welcome. You're all we've got. Keep moving.
Oh my god, alright.
Pick it up.
Yeah. Once again, I'm not the good. I'm not the best at this game. What? I couldn't even see him! Wow, okay.
One round gone.
My
We're not
god,
dead
I'm
yet,
getting
are we, lads?
absolutely rinsed. Good, alright.
Head in. Stay frosty.
Uzi. Oh god, I don't like this weapon. Got him.
That's it, lads. On to the next round. Get
Right,
ready.
that's 2 kills of that. Very nice. So hopefully we can get another round with this. Oh my god, how did he kill me so quick? Must have hit headshots. I don't really think that was a
get this
headshot.
done.
What? The growl and the fucking deagle. See if I can hit a deagle headshot. Nope. I love this weapon, so...
They're hurting. Let's send them home.
Right, we got him. Come on, teammate, please get some kills.
You're all we've got. Keep moving. Two wins down.
My
Keep
aim
up
was
the
so
pressure.
bad then. Oh, my aim. Just absolutely terrible.
Let's get to work.
Oh. Car 9. No! Why did I do that? That was such a bad idea.
One round gone. We're not dead yet, are we, lads?
Come on, man. Why does my teammate just die constantly? He's just sat there like a fish. Sat there. The fucking fishes can't sit. What am I trying to say? What's the other weapon? Pistol? Oh,
This round's ours.
I didn't know it was
Stay
that
sharp
low.
for the next
I mean, at least my teammate got a kill.
one. Let's get this done.
Oh, this thing's gonna. I don't want to go on the mount because that's always just a cheap death. What?
Forget that round.
I
On
wall
to the
banged
next.
him so much and he still got me. Oh, he will wall bang the fuck out of me as well. Okay. Match point. I mean, I'm
Down
doing
to
well.
this round. Push
My
it back.
teammate isn't. Right, come on. Nah, no chance.
The day's
What
done.
happened to my
You're
teammate,
nuts.
man? Literally, he got 1 kill. And 10 deaths. Big yikes, man. He died every round. He died every round, man. Come on. Right. Okay, and I guess for the last one, we can just hope for our luck and... fuck it. Well, there's only one map I like in this, and it's obviously Shipment. I'm a big fan of Shipment. Everything else in this, I'm not a big fan of. Mainly, one, I don't like Shoot House, cause it's too slow paced, and people like to camp on the top, like little, I think it's called Office or something like that. It's like an office building. People like to camp up there, and that's just such an annoying spot. It's a bigger map, so I'm not a big fan of it. Rust is alright in certain modes. The spawns are shit though. The spawns are really bad. You'll be spawning next to enemies, you'll get flip-sided onto a full enemy team, and you just can't do a thing.
UAV overhead.
So I'm gonna try and use a 725, the sawn-off
Capture the
version.
whole enemy.
Instantly, nope. Oh god. Oh, I don't have fucking my core blooded on. Where did I get shot from? How did he hit me through the wall?
Overhead.
He hit my foot. This is what I mean. It's super slow paced. Oh my god.
Sending traps.
Get lost, man. My god, they're just holding that one choke point.
Enemy has Alpha. Enemy UAV
Nah,
overhead.
this is not good. This is my luck with it, though. I've got
Assist
nothing,
your team with Charlie. We're taking Alpha.
nothing for long to medium range.
They've reached the halfway point. We lost Charlie.
Oh my god. No! If I just hit my first shot. God damn it.
We're taking Charlie.
I think I need to run
UAV
around with like
overhead.
an AR or
Allied precision
like a
airstrike.
marksman rifle with this class.
Allied UAV overhead. Securing Bravo. They have two. Retake the... Securing Bravo.
Oh, perfect.
Securing Charlie. Captured Bravo.
Oh, why did I just...
Enemy at the back end. Assist your team at Bravo.
Maybe if I use stim on this, I'll be alright. Oh god. I ran straight into that.
We lost B.
Jump off. I can't hit you from that range. Nope.
Bravo.
Right, okay. Let's, why don't we try a marksman rifle? Let's give that a go.
We're holding Bravo.
Thermal hybrid? Why has it got that on it? Ugh.
Assist your team at B.
Put that on it. Oh, that's a teammate.
Enemy has Bravo.
Oh, it's got a fucking laser sight. Why has it got a laser sight?
Allied UAV overhead.
Attack laser. It's always gonna be bad.
Securing Bravo.
I'll put that on it.
Enemy UAV overhead.
That would have been good if I had my shotgun out.
Enemy at the courtyard.
It's just
They have
people are
two.
so sweaty in this
Retake those
game.
objectives.
You can't really do much against them. You kill yourself first. Go on. Do it. It's literally like there.
Enemy at the junkyard. UAV is
Okay.
ready for flyover. This is Falcon 2. Good copy.
I didn't reload this thing.
Bravo. Securing Charlie.
I think there's a guy in here.
Bravo, stand by.
There is, no.
Securing Charlie.
I can't hit him!
Holding Charlie. We lost Alpha.
Ammunition box, go!
Turning. Securing Bravo.
My hidden power. Ammo. See, this part here, I don't like that part of the map. I'll still use it to my advantage, though. See, this has turned into a Car 9 video.
Securing Bravo. Enemy is shutting down.
Because of how fun this thing is.
Two objectives lost. Move in.
And now we're in a
Securing
predicament
Bravo.
where we can't really
Bravo secure.
move.
Emergency airdrop available.
Ooh. Okay. Come on. You know you want to peek.
Enemy in the back alley.
I'll throw this in. See how people come with that.
Roger, this is Dagger 2. Multiple drops on. Allied precision airstrike incoming. Be aware. We have two objectives. Take the third.
I'm just being very cautious because there's
We're
one
falling
thing I
behind,
want on
Rio.
this. I need one more kill. To get my
Allied
emergency.
advanced UAV overhead.
I'm not good at the game, so I'm sorry, I've got to count for this.
Allied UAV overhead.
Come on, please. No! It had to be a hit marker, didn't it?
Allied precision airstrike in. Enemies taking Bravo.
Oh, it's an allied one.
We're taking Alpha. Enemies taking Bravo.
You joking? No! How are you gonna call it in? If I just pushed. I played so passively. And we love the spawns in this game. I bet he got a couple more kills out of that and all. But yeah, COD 9's more fun than a shotgun. What? I knew it was good, but I didn't know it was that good. What we're looking at, I feel like we can give it one more go. Well, one more game. Let's see how this goes. Well, we got shipment. Oh, this will be fucking fun. We just basically have this shotgun, and then we switch the car 9, and we just pop off with that. We could try using a different setup. What is this? The stipple does help that. The support cone helps the aim down sight speed. Okay. Wait, I forgot. I got a better reticle. I got flipping the blue dot. I grinded my ass off for that shit. Took forever trying to get all of the goddamn reticle challenges done. It was literally use this reticle, get fucking, what was it? It was like get 200 kills of this using this reticle, and then the next one was get 50 headshots using the reticle.
No prisoners. Shoot it.
They're all there. Oh my god, look at the kill feed. They all got 725s. This is gonna be a mess.
Kill confirmed.
This is gonna be a mess. What? He was behind me. Oh my god.
Enemy
What am I meant to do against a riot shield player? I can't hit shots! Oh no.
got a UAV on station. Kill confirmed.
This thing is just mad. The craziest gun I've used in a while. I haven't really used the COD 9 that much. I've used it only in like gunfight and shit. Ah, behind me. Jesus killed you. Damn it. This is madness. It's either you're behind them or they're behind you and you just fuck. Let me just reload. Oh no, that's going for me, that's going for me! I hate it when my teammates all crowd around an area. And you're in that area as well. This is just... Oh, hi. I just walked up to him like... Got him. Why did I get so many points? Oh god. Yeah, spawn in there. Oh. Well, spawn in there, I dare you. I get an RPGs. Let's stick on EOD. That's only what I do. If I get destroyed by explosive, I'll just stick on EOD. It's like I'm dealing with that.
Kill confirmed.
I don't know what was going on. Behind me.
Personal radar in the air. Enemy unit.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I just got spawn killed. I have a C4. Oh my god. What is this? Hi, teammate. No, my aim was terrible there.
Allied cluster strike.
No! Don't notice me now. I will never be able to hit a swap feed, man. Kills, it's decent, it's whatever. This man. Yeah, man. Yeah. He got 1 kill. I thought it was gonna be like play the game. I think it was probably final kill cam instead. But that was funny. Ooh. Ah, we're not that level yet. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. That was pretty fun. Yeah, I guess make sure to comment down below. I'll probably I'll more than likely send a message back. I would flipping comment on anyone's or everyone's comments just for supporting me. You know, it's what you gotta do. It's what you gotta do. You gotta fucking be thankful for the support and you fucking acknowledge it. And if you want to join my Discord, I have a link that I will put in the comments below of this video. And yeah, you can just hang out with me there. We can have a chat. We can play some games, whatever. I play fucking Minecraft on my PC mainly, and a couple other like rhythm games and stuff. I don't really play mainly any first-person shooters on there, so I'll be yeah, I'll be doing stuff on there. I can't really stream because my internet's too bad. It's honestly atrocious how bad the internet is in this house. But whatever, you deal with it. I've gotten used to it nowadays. It's all I can stream on here on PlayStation. Fine. Tries to do it on PC. Pff, nothing. The amount of stuttering I get and the quality of the video is just absolutely atrocious. So there's no point in even trying to stream on there. Since I tested it a while ago. Anyway, yeah, that'll be the end of the video. I'll come back some more time, maybe when they're in a new mode, or we could probably play Giant Infection, trying to get fucking running over people, kills. That'll be fucking fun, and maybe some ground war or something like that. And yeah, we'll be going for that challenge. See you then.